Today I'm going to be giving you the top 5 things you should do to boost your immunity other than hand washing. Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Laura, here from Natural Approach in Melbourne, Florida. So my number 1 is fruits and vegetables. Ideally, if you could get them organic, that's the best way to go. If you cannot get them organic, please make sure you are washing them in order to get off anything that's not good for you. For me, I find that the easiest way to consume lots of fruits and vegetables on a weekly basis is to juice. So if you're interested in juicing or you want to know which juicer I prefer, I'm going to put the link below so you can click on that if you decide you want to get one yourself. But otherwise, with every meal, just make sure you're getting plenty of fruits and vegetables. Our bodies really need this for optimal immunity. My number 2 will be supplements. Sometimes we can't get enough from our food these days. So supplements will be another good addition to boosting your immune system. My number 1 will be vitamin C. Vitamin C, they recommend 3,000 to 5,000 milligrams a day to really help with allergies and to boost our immunity. Number 2, I would say vitamin D, which is also very important for immunity. So I would recommend at least 2,000 to 5,000 IUs a day. You can definitely up that to a lot more for a short period of time, and that will also help you. And probiotics, amazing for our guts. It has been already determined that our gut is part of immunity, so probiotics would be another plus. And zinc. Zinc, you should do at least 30 to 50 milligrams a day, and you could always do a little bit more if you need to, just to really boost your immune system. My next one will be deep breathing. Sometimes when we're stressed, we are not taking deep breaths and we're taking a bunch of shallow breaths. So this can also affect our immunity because we really need oxygen to boost our lung function and our immune system. So take the time every day to set some time a day where you can actually lay down or sit down somewhere comfortably and take time for deep breathing. Make sure that your belly is coming out first when you're taking that deep breath, and then your chest, because otherwise you're not getting the full breath in. So I personally take time every lunch break to do that because I really need it to just help me relax overall, but I know the importance of deep breathing, especially when you're so stressed. So that's another easy one that you can do to boost your immune system. So my number 4 is drinking water. The rule of thumb with this is that you should be drinking half your body weight in ounces. I know that's like a shocker. Most of my patients are shocked when I tell them that. But our body is comprised mostly of water, so if you're not drinking enough, then our cells cannot communicate and they cannot function optimally. So make sure you're drinking more water. Divide your weight by 2, and that's how many ounces you should be drinking on a daily basis. So if you're not drinking that much, make sure you're drinking every day a little bit more and more closer to that goal, because it's going to make a big difference in your immune system and the way that your body actually functions and does everything that it needs to do. Another tip on that will be to make sure that you're drinking water that is room temperature or warm, and try to avoid ice. In Chinese medicine, the idea is that every time we consume ice, we're starting to affect our digestive fire, which is the ability to digest our foods and preserve and reserve some of our energy. So ideally, room temperature is so much better for us. So if you're having ice water every single day, make sure that you transition from ice to room temperature, or ice to cold, and then from cold you could go to room temperature. So my number 5 is my favorite. So I definitely saved my favorite for last. So 5 is acupuncture. Acupuncture has been around for 3,000 to 5,000 years. So any medicine that's been around for that long has definitely stood the test of time. So please consider acupuncture when it comes to boosting your immune system and overall just to help your body heal naturally. I hope you have found those top 5 things helpful. There's a lot more. I'm going to go ahead and write some down below, so just to help you with other options that you may have to boost your immune system. If we can help you in any way, please visit our website at mynaturalapproach.com. Once again, I'm Dr. Laura, here from Natural Approach in Melbourne, Florida.